Yes, guys, welcome back. Can you notice a thing? I did a thing straight away. Straight away. You seen it. Oh, that feeling. Brand spanking new camera, right? I'm gonna have to learn to look here, not here. If I show you, with this, look, the screen's off to the side and the thing's here. So it is really hard. I'm going to be getting used to all of the technology. Another thing. We got a wireless microphone. Yes, guys. Anyways, right. Enough of that. So I run the camera over immediately. First thing I did, that's the first thing I recorded, is this car backing up onto the ramps. As you can tell, the first time, it's just steep and slippery ground, so it was going to slip. So the second time, I just thought, we're going to send it, just get a run up. Do you know what I mean? Well, the camera took it. It's still in perfect condition, luckily. I immediately swallowed my tongue, like, oh no. But yeah, anyways. So we're here, we're at Thomas's establishment. We are planning on checking out the bushings on the car. We're going to put it up on the ramps. We're going to check out the bushings. Under acceleration, the car turns left. When you lift off hard, it will veer right. So something's going on under there, and I'd like to look at it. It's much easier doing it up on a ramp. And the second thing is the splitter got smashed into a million pieces. So I'm going to try my best attempt at drift stitching. So I'm going to put this thing together. We get off on a thing, and we're just waiting for Thomas to finish working. He's doing a thing right now, and then we'll go up on the ramp and we'll have a look. For further information on the camera, FYI, it is a Sony ZV-1. The receiver, this guy, is all of the numbers, so I don't know what it's called. It's another Sony product, and it comes with, as you've seen, the little handle. Well, it doesn't, it's an extra. Can you see in the mirror up here? I don't know if you can see in the mirror up here. Handle. But yeah. So you've seen, guys, we jacked it up, we did a thing. I'm looking a bit like a ghost at the minute. We have this, look at this, see what it does to the camera. Oh, the camera does well. That's a bright light, very bright light. Mind all of the leaking, but we have had a look. Can you see if we can get some vision on all of this? We can't really get you much vision on it, but the bushings on the front is fine. Had a look at the back also, and they're not bad. The car's filthy under here, but as far as the bushings go, look. Let me point up here, look. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they're fine. Especially the anti-roll bars, they're all good. The diff mounts look completely fine. Again, just muddy. So one thing Thomas has suggested, we'll have a look, is we'll jack the front up and we'll see if we've got any brake bind on the front. It makes sense that it would do, to be fair, because the car gets like thrashed, gets put into the mud banks and stuff like that, hence all the mud underneath it. Then it sits for like 2-3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6, so it could potentially just have something going down with the brakes. We'll check that out, and another thing we've got to check out is the old splitter. See, it's in 2 pieces. It's just cable tied up, like proper ghetto. So yeah, we'll fix that too. Guys, Tom's epiphany was a thing. Let me show you the good side. 1 second, let me show you the good side. Look. Normal, okay, look. Normal, that's fine. I'm not gonna spin forever, but found our problem. So we're going to take the wheel off now. Strip down. I'm not going to strip the caliper out properly. I'm literally just going to swing open the calipers, take the sliders out, clean them, grease them, put them back in. It should be fine. There she be, guys. We're going to take all of this out now. So we're just going to undo this slider in here. I'm going to guess, you can see very well, Let me get this light on the situation. Oh, I just blinded myself by looking at it. Here, look. Light. You can see it all in there now. But this guy right here, we're going to undo, we're going to loosen off, take it all out, slide it open. There's plenty of pad in there and that. So I won't have to replace nothing. It's just mainly undoing, re-lubricating, put back together. And it should allow that to spin then. So we stripped it all down. We had a look. And this bottom one, this is the bottom slider here. Well, both of them, to be fair. The bottom one was, oh, trying to get the aim, there you go. The bottom one was super tight, this one. And the top one was fine. But, no, there's zero lubrication on it. So I'm guessing that's our problem. The caliper was all free. Where is he? She's sat here, look. Caliper's fine, no leakages, all good. So I'm going to lube it up. I've given it a little brush already. Lube it up, put the caliper back on, and hopefully spin it. Like, look, you spin it now. That's it, guys. This is my first ever drip stitch. We're gonna carry on. We're gonna see the back of it. Yeah, but yeah, you see the general consensus. First ever drift stitch, and then we got plans for all of them. But yeah, woo! Number 2 drift stitch. Look, it's doing a thing. There she be, guys and girls, drift stitched. She is now officially a missile. Well, when it goes on the car. Takes a good minute, doesn't it, to do that. See, the reason why I did 20 to 60 is because it's a real world test. You're coming off a roundabout, you're coming out of the slip road on the motorway, and you gun it. That's what you do in real life. You never just really launching it from 60, especially in something like this. Anyway, more news happened in that short period of time, okay? I'll show you the after, but we've had a scenario. I keep looking over there still. I'm looking here, right. Wheel, situation, wheel, is now... We got saved by Mr. Webber. Can I show you? It's not overly evident. Mr. Webber's done a great thing, but we hit a pothole. This, you can't quite tell, because like I said, Webber's done a good job of it. It's not circle anymore. It's more of an egg shape. We hit a pothole and it destroyed a wheel. The other day we hit a pothole and it destroyed a tyre. So these wheels are done. I don't want to keep running them because alloys don't like to bend multiple times, etc. So we have some new boys. I'll show you after them fitted. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. BurnRubber, know your soul.